It's called GAM COVID-VAC, trade name Sputnik V, after the Soviet-era satellite that triggered the space race. And now Russia says it's soaring ahead in its campaign against COVID-19. Dozens of clinics in the capital, Moscow, have begun inoculating those most at risk from the virus. The city remains the worst affected place in the country. First in line are people who work in schools, the health service and social workers. The large-scale vaccination of military personnel has also begun, with each person getting 2 injections 21 days apart.
I decided to do it right away and not to wait. It's difficult to say what to expect, but I do hope it will stop me from getting ill.
The Russian government approved the vaccine for use in August after recording 95% effectiveness in preliminary trials. At the time, it was touted as a world first, despite only being tested on several dozen people. The speed of the approval's drawn criticism at home and abroad, with health experts insisting more advanced studies are needed to ensure its safety and effectiveness. But the Russian government says there's no time to lose. The country has one of the highest rates of coronavirus, and its aging healthcare system is stretched.
Day one of the vaccination program is a success. People waited a long time for the vaccine. So far, so good. I cannot say how many people signed in, but there are a lot of people who want to be vaccinated.
President Vladimir Putin's yet to be vaccinated himself, although one of his daughters has apparently been inoculated. All of those being vaccinated are reportedly volunteers, but some public sector workers say they've been heavily encouraged to sign up. In the absence of large-scale preliminary tests, critics say the mass vaccination programme is essentially a phase 3 trial in the general population.
The scepticism around this comes from the fact that it's been worked on very quickly, it's been developed very quickly, and it appears to be being put into the general population rather earlier than it would do if it had been developed, say, in the UK. The trials that it has undergone do not appear to have been as extensive as they would have been in this country.
The Russian government's confident, but it's likely to take time for the fast-tracked vaccine to build international trust. Neave, Al Jazeera.